paper writing, please listen carefully. It's very important because science communication who are doing PhD scholars. Now, publishing research result is an integral part of research professional life. However, writing is not every research favorite activity, and getting a paper published in can be a very tedious and time-consuming process. Fortunately, many of the obstacles along the writing and publishing path can be avoided by following some simple guidelines and practice. The dissemination of research results and findings is an integral part of research process and career in academia. Researchers like to keep records of their work for themselves, but more importantly, readers and peers who are expecting a standard form, language and style reading a research paper. Writing in a scientific style can be hard in the beginning for novices, but clear communication and concise writing for scientific audience could be done. A scientific paper may be divided into the following parts. This I've already told you. Title, author's name and address, abstract, introduction, materials and method, results and discussion, conclusion, and list of references. Title. Now, title should indicate the label for the paper, should indicate the briefest contents of the paper, should be self-explanatory. Readers ought to be given some concrete information about the contents of the paper. Author's name and address. The byline stating the names of this author proclaim the creator or creators of the scientific knowledge being reported. Search for scientific communication. The introduction can lead to cooperation analysis of scientific efforts in general and resolution of any doubt. Abstract. The abstract is a short version of the paper. The length of the abstract depends on the length of the paper. Introduction. Explain why the particular study was taken up, general and specific aim. Define the problem and explain its importance. Explain what is not known, the gap in knowledge. Specify the major results obtained. Indicate the differences and the conclusions arrived at. Materials and methods. Main purpose of the section is to tell the readers how the information, data being communicated was collected and analyzed. The readers have to be assumed that the method used is appropriate. That is, they are technically adequate to answer the fundamental questions raised in the study. Results and discussion. Main purpose of the section is to convey new information. Readers should be able to draw meaningful conclusions from the data presented. Tables and illustrations are often used for presenting the observed results in scientific writing, as it makes results easy to comprehend, order, and compare.